Hi, Julie Torrance here. I got a package, something I ordered from P.M.artist Studios. They make some of the most beautiful stencils and also masks. So I placed an order. It came right away, less than a week. And when you consider, I think we did not have mail between the time I ordered and the time this came. I'm opening it carefully because it feels like it's all the way up to the top. We had like 4 days of, I don't think the mail could get through because we were just so snowed in. But that's over, and let's see if I can get this open. I love the envelope. It's kind of a, I don't know, looks kind of cardboardy. I may have to rip it though, because I'm losing patience. I want to get in this. I don't have the strongest hands in the world, that's for sure. But I really am afraid to cut it because, as I say, it feels like there's something all the way to the top. And it would be just like me to ruin a brand new stencil. Maybe I can kind of cut through some of this glue. All right, here we go. Banging it down. And just cut the very skimpy top. Do I recommend you do this? No. But I don't know what else to do. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we got. Now there's probably some personal information in here. Yeah. So let's turn that around. Oh, so beautifully packaged. Okay. That's the whole thing. So, wow. Love this bag. Now they include the cutoffs from when they do your stencils or masks. So that's one of the cutoffs. Here's a couple more cutoffs. Can you see what that looks like? Here. Julie, you should be prepared. I don't know what to be prepared for. There we go. Can you kind of see it on there? And there's this one. Okay. Now, inside here, Border Collection by Carrie the Crafter. That's C-E-R-I, the Crafter. He's great. P.M.artist Studios. They're on YouTube. Carrie's on YouTube. And here's what I bought. I wanted these for borders. Look. Can you see that? I think it's so pretty. And here's another one. Raindrops. Here's another one. And another one. These are so cool. Now these are made on a very, very heavy Yupo. So that one, I don't know if you can see that good. Let me try this. Maybe this. You can see better. Aren't those pretty? And then there's this one. And I see there's a little place that I need to punch out. And that's totally normal. See? It's no deal. Just, there you go. Aren't these going to be gorgeous borders? And then look at this. Isn't that pretty? Here's another one of those little things. Again, totally normal. Beautiful. And then this. To make a border. So fun. Okay, here's my second one. And this is from P.M.artist Studios. And this is a set of masks. So I got 3 of them in the set. That one. This one. Isn't it pretty? And then this one. What do you think? Well, thank you, P.M.artist Studios. Oh, And look at this. It's a little freebie. How fun. And then just a little note for me. So thanks for joining me. I will link P.M.artist Studios, both their shop and their YouTube page on the bottom in the description. Give this please a like, subscribe if you're new. I will see you in the next video. Bye now.